For language-specific stop words, we may search a list from Google or simply use the Python library to do it. After taking our sample text, we have 41 tokens in total. The number of tokens is reduced to 32 after removing some of the stop words. Besides NLTK, we can also retrieve English stop words from Spacy. Do they share the same set of stop words? Some of them are common, while you can easily spot out if some words exist in either one of them. You can either pick one or combine both of them, or even add or remove top words. It totally depends on your use case. Besides English, both NLTK and Spacy provide multilingual stop words by using a few lines of code to retrieve it. Here are the examples that we retrieve Spanish and French stop words from NLTK. On the other hand, we also can get Japanese and Chinese stop words from Spacy. For domain-specific stop words, it is a list of specific stop words for your problem domain. Taking the clinical domain as an example, you may see medical, underlying, patent are suggested stop words. You may not find it from standard English stop words. In the social media domain, let's say X, different sets of stop words are suggested. Alone, different, down are suggested by the source. You may adjust those stop words based on those suggested stop words for your domain. You can also combine multiple stop words lists that you find from Google as long as it fits your needs as well.